loud. Shitty fucking BMW owners noise polluting with their fucking Vanos bull. First event of the year, the season opens. Hopefully it will be nice. I took only 4 tires, but 2 of them are the Acceleras, so they should last all day anyway. It's a bit moist and rainy, so probably gonna be slow, easy day. Hopefully no crashes. Look at that PS13.
We done like maybe 4 or 5 track entries because it's pretty busy. All the tickets sold out. It's very slippery today because it's been raining all morning, like spitting. And also there is an oil leak on the track somewhere by the hairpin. So you need to like avoid the big corner and yeah. But it's alright. It's okay. Like I'm still on the same set of tires. I'm testing the Acceleras 651s. I had them like really long time, been using them on the road, and yeah, they're doing really well. They're very resistant. I've been drifting in them all morning and they don't even look like they have any marks. So far so good. And I was just eyeballing this BMW. Show it. Because I'm considering getting one of these because I'm changing my job and I will need to travel about 30 miles every day, so it would be nice to have something like N57, you know, 3-liter diesel with like 40-45 mpg instead of 20-25, you know, mpg as in Volvo. The face of a man that just enjoyed the pool. She's always rushing me when I'm shooting, like, oh, why are you doing so much? Why is it so long? I've been just talking about that, and he said the same thing about the brake. Oh, just talking about your poop. My poop? Yeah. In a very nice poop.
Really strangely, I said about when I left foot brake in, it cuts it. And everyone was saying, oh yeah, sometimes if your maths unplugged, and I was like, I never plugged it back in again when I took it off yesterday.
Fixed.
So we might have left foot brake in, which means I might be able to see the big corner at the top now.
Okay, good luck. I'll be joining on a
That's the
track
last
as well.
final
now,
words.
so, yeah.
Might be able to do the big corner at the top.
Yeah.
Bang!
Alright,
Yeah.
see you soon.
See you there.
Just shoot it off. So basically what happened, I was finishing giving a passenger lap to a friend of mine, Dudley, and the car just randomly shut off, and I managed to limp it here. When you give it a little bit of accelerator, it idles, but idles very poorly. So I was trying to figure out why. I thought it may be something electrical, but I just noticed on the intake manifold there is a hole that's like thumb big. So obviously the car is getting way too much fuel because all the air is escaping. That hole is like a blank for idle valve control, which I blanked off a few months ago to make the engine bay look cleaner. And I never had a correct bung, so what I did, I put a bolt inside with tape around it, and then I zip tied it all together. And it was fine all this time, but obviously now that I'm running about 15 psi of boost, the pressure in the manifold is much higher, so I just fucking shooted it out. If you wanna come, I'll show you where the hole is. So it's just that pipe that was blanked. You can still see a glue around it. So it was just blanked like so, obviously with a tape and little bits and bobs. So I'm just gonna fix it now and hopefully it will work.
Have you got the electric tape?
I have this tape.
Dark tape.
No, yes, I had like a rubber bolt in there.
Okay.
With bolt inside and hold it all of it together. A little bit more tape and then I will zip tie the tape around it and that should hold. Fixing the hole in the manifold of the spark plug. It would be funny if any fuel would get in there and if I could ignite it and the fucking manifold would explode. You'd connect the HT lead. Imagine that. Intake combustion. Tricky to get the tape to go around, but okay, should be good. Few more zip ties and that should hold. It's not even the sketchiest shit I done so far, so pretty proud of myself, very creative. Yeah, the benefit of having car with big engine bay is like it's very nice and easy to work on, but also look, you can keep the spare parts and rugs and stuff in the engine bay. See, like you made your hands dirty, you have a rug, you know, you can top up everything, no problem. You could stack probably like another battery on top as well. Volvo. You seen the power steering cooler? Look, I installed it yesterday. Yeah, so now the air flows through it and cools down the power steering fluid. Because when I'm drifting, when I'm turning, you know, wheel side to side, it goes like really hot and almost always keeps shooting out from the reservoir. So it hasn't happened today, so I guess it works. Let's go for another one. So we just finished the drift day, we did the last session. Can you give us some feedback as a passenger?
Yeah, to be fair, I was well impressed with the Volvo. I thought it's gonna be a bit more struggle to go the sideways, but to be fair, it's drive really easy. It's
solid machine.
It is solid machine to be fair. Like even you don't need to keep it on the rev all the way up.
Yeah.
It's like 3,500, 4,500 RPMs.
Up the boost and
it's like going sideways very well. So I'm
And-
well impressed.
it's on semi-slicks, Acceleras 651s, which I was testing for the first time today. I've been drifting on them all day and they still have like 5 mil left and there is no patches or anything like that, so this tire is so good for drifting, honestly. It's been raining for the first half of the day, and the second half was slightly wettish, but some patches were already dry, and it held absolutely mint, no issues whatsoever. So good day, no crashes, little bit of issue with the engine, but it's fixed, so happy days.
Yeah, and only 25 psi on the ring.
Yeah, 25 psi on the back, so yeah. Lowest pressures I've been running so far. Okay, bye.